Did you know that some YouTubers are putting in hours of work, money, time, efforts, only to discover that their niche won't make them a dime from YouTube? Hey there, it's Susan from DeCreativeSusan, and today we're diving deep into the top 5 niches YouTube will not monetize in 2025. These are the traps you need to avoid if you want to build a thriving money-making channel. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and stick around because the last niche might just surprise you. Before we jump in, tell me, have you ever wondered why some channels explode with revenue while others with similar content who are doing great make zero? Like they make very small revenue or zero revenue. So the answer isn't just about like it isn't always quality, it's often the niche. Like when we are choosing niche, we need to be very careful. So let's break it down and stay till the end because I'll share a quick tip that could save your channel if you're in any of these niches I'm going to be talking about in this video. So our first niche is reused or re-uploaded content. Friends, in 2025, YouTube will be even stricter on creators who post content that have been taken from other sources. Like some people post TV clips, TikTok compilations, or even reuse stocked videos. Okay, so even if you edit them cleverly, YouTube new detection system are catching on fast. Okay, they are catching creators in this place, and some of them is as bad, they even delete channels. Okay, so if you're not creating original content or you're adding significant value, your channel won't be eligible for monetization. All right, so let's move over to number 2. Number 2 is a big one. This one is actually affecting so many creators, which is misinformation and conspiracy theories. Okay, YouTube has been cracking down on health misinformation, fake news, and sensationalized conspiracy content. In 2025, expect even more tighter policies. Okay, even if these videos get views as they normally do, they won't get ads. If you just go and check it, YouTube cannot put their ads on those kind of videos, and your channel could face strike or demonetization. Okay, so we want to be very careful over the kind of niches we choose. Okay, so coming in at number 3 is violence and dangerous acts. Content showing dangerous pranks, stunts, or anything promoting harm has no place in YouTube monetized ecosystem. Get this right, friends. While some creators just shock value, drive views, the truth is it kills ads revenue potential. So advertisers don't want their brand to be associated with things like this. So we need to be very careful over the kind of niche you choose so that you don't spend your time wasting your time and your effort will be wasted. Then coming in at number 4 is crypto scam. Let me just call it out, or all this get rich quick scheme. In 2025, YouTube is tightening its grip on financial scam. This one is very rampant on YouTube, and the channels promoting sketchy investment scheme, fake trading bots, and or too good to be true online income strategies will be demonetized or even removed. So if you're promoting such content like that, be warned. Okay, so finally is number 5, which is AI generated spam content. Okay, AI tools are everywhere now, and we know it's good to use it, but as AI tools flood on the internet, many creators are tempted to mass produce low quality auto-generated videos. So in 2025, YouTube's algorithm will spot this and demonetize channel that churns out repetitive, generic, or non-human generated content. Okay, so YouTube is putting in effort to make sure that this YouTube street is safe for all creators and users. So the future belongs to authentic creators who put in thoughts and creativity into their videos. So if you are a creator, please put this in mind. Make authentic videos and let your creativity play a role in each of your content. So here is the bonus tip that I talked about. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel and making money, focus on one niche that combines high quality original content that gives real value. Think about education, entertainment, inspiration. That's the winning combo. Okay, so you can achieve this. It's not something you cannot do. You can actually achieve this. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to DeCreativeSusan for more tips. Okay, dive into this YouTube world. Let's grow together. Okay, so comment below which of these niches surprised you the most, or maybe you've got your own story to share. Okay, I will be glad to read that your story in the comments so that one or two persons can actually learn from you. Okay, I'll be reading each and every comment. So thanks so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video.